Welcome to the 2025 GMC Vintage Style Pickup Truck Concept. It's crafted for a video lasting at least 4 minutes. You can pair this with relevant footage, like close-ups, driving shots, and feature showcases. The 2025 GMC Vintage Style Pickup is where classic nostalgia meets modern innovation. It's a nod to the golden age of pickups, reimagined for today's drivers. From the first glance, the design is unmistakably retro. Smooth curves, a bold grille, and timeless chrome accents pay homage to GMC's legacy of rugged, dependable trucks. Yet, this isn't just a step back in time. The addition of LED lighting and advanced aerodynamics ensures it holds its own in the modern era. Take a closer look at the paint options. They've brought back iconic two-tone schemes like forest green with cream accents, a visual callback to the pickups of the 1960s. The detail extends to the wheels, where classic steel designs have been updated with durable alloy construction for both style and strength. Even the badging has been meticulously crafted to channel a vintage vibe, with embossed lettering and subtle chrome trim. Step inside, and the balance of old and new becomes even more apparent. The seats feature a retro stitch pattern paired with modern, high-quality materials like leather and suede. The dashboard is a masterpiece, blending vintage wood-grain textures with a cutting-edge digital display. On the surface, it feels like a truck from decades past. But just beneath, it's packed with 21st-century technology. Drivers will find a fully integrated infotainment system complete with navigation, smartphone connectivity, and voice commands. Under the hood, the story continues. This isn't just a showpiece, it's a workhorse. Options include a turbocharged V6 for efficiency, a robust V8 for raw power, and even a hybrid model for those wanting the perfect balance between performance and sustainability. The suspension has been engineered to handle off-road adventures and urban commutes alike, with adaptive systems that provide comfort and stability on any terrain. Safety features are cutting-edge. From adaptive cruise control to lane-keeping assist, the vintage GMC is fully equipped to meet today's safety standards. Cameras provide a full 360-degree view, while automated parking systems make it easy to navigate tight spots, whether in the city or at the campsite. What really sets the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup apart is its attention to heritage. Every detail feels deliberate, a respectful nod to its predecessors, while embracing the needs of today's drivers. It's not just a truck, it's a bridge between generations. The sound of the engine, the feel of the steering wheel, and the way it glides on the road all contribute to an experience that's both familiar and brand new. For collectors and everyday drivers alike, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is more than a vehicle. It's a celebration of timeless design, engineering excellence, and the enduring spirit truck. Keep